Hello, friends. Hope you're doing great. Today, in the following exercise, make contractions with the underlined words. She's very pretty. She's very pretty. He's not a doctor. He isn't a doctor. I'm a student here. I'm a student here. It is very cold today. It's very cold today. They are students here. They are students here. You're not a teacher. You aren't a teacher. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a doctor. They are not ready yet. They aren't ready yet. They are not in the room. They aren't in the room. It is very pretty. It's very pretty. It is not in the house. It isn't in the house. I'm not a student. I'm not a student. He's very handsome. He's very handsome. We are not ready yet. We aren't ready yet. She's not here now. She's not here now. It is quite hot today. It's quite hot today. It is not cold today. It isn't cold today. I am not very tired. I'm not very tired. You're a teacher. You are a teacher. He's not a teacher. He isn't a teacher. She's not a student. She's not a student. It is interesting. It's interesting. He's not very tall. He isn't very tall. They are here now. They are here now. Now, in the next lesson, the simple present tense. The simple present tense describes a customary or repeated action. It also describes a general truth. Number 1, first person, I work, we work. Second person, you work, you work. Next, he works, he works. Third person, she works, they work. Next, it works, it works. Now, notice the spelling. I work, I teach, I study. He works, she teaches, he studies. Learn, learns. Need, needs. Write, writes. Buy, buys. Wash, washes. Miss, misses. Fix, fixes. Go, goes. Reply, replies. Cry, cries. Try, tries. Fly, flies. Examples. I work every day. I work in a store. I work hard. He studies English every day. He studies very hard. We always learn new words. We always write the words. The boy knows the answer. The boy knows the man. The man knows the boy. The boy likes the girl. The boys like the girl. The girl likes the boy. The girl likes the boys. Now, the simple present tense of do and have. I do, we do, I have, we have. Next, you do, you have, you have. Next, he does, he does. She does, they do, she has, they have. It does, it has. So that's all for today. Hope to join you soon. Take good care of yourself. Bye.